Priyadarshini, let's sow the seed in front of our house and you will see the magic of the Panchatattva's work.
The Panchatattvas? What Panchatattvas? I have only heard of the Panchatantras.
Panchatattvas are the elements of life. The word Panchatattva originates from Sanskrit, where Panch stands for 5 and Tattvas indicates elements. This planet is composed of 5 basic elements or the Panch Mahabhutas. These are Akash, Vayu, Jal, Agni and Prithvi.
Does Panchatattva only help the plant to grow?
No. Each element of the Panchatattvas has a special place in our Hindu religion. Let's take up Jal and Prithvi to begin with. Water is an important element. The water from the Ganges is used for purification of things. Idols are also immersed in the water after worship.
Ganesh Ji and Durga Mata, I know that. Ganapati Bappa Moria.
In Sikhism, the holy water or Amrit is used to initiate the Sikhs into their Khalsa religion. For Muslims, the Zamzam water is considered very sacred. And Christians use holy water to welcome men, women and children into their religion. Looking at Prithvi, we Hindus celebrate Sankranti, Bihu, Baisakhi and other harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated around the world as well. Okay, and that is our third element as well, Vayu. And wind happens to be the basis for all the wind musical instruments used worldwide across all religions.
So all of us around the world are connected with wind as well.
Come, it is time to light the diya. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Coming to Agni, be it the 7 vows during a marriage or havans during any auspicious occasion or the funeral pyre, it is incomplete without Agni. And at last, Akash. The Akash provides a connection to the universe and the divine. The sky is the vast open space that accommodates everything. Hinduism believes in the attainment of moksha. The sun, the moon, and the stars are worshipped and embedded in Hinduism and reminds us of the vastness of the sky. Okay, now it is bedtime. How about sleeping on the roof and letting the magic of the Panchatattvas work on us? Yay!